Nearly a year ago, we launched the Ghost Case. It was the most successful failure we ever put into the world. Our goal was to overcome the number one issue with Clear Case. They all turn yellow. The number two issue with Clear Cases, the fact that they scratch really easy. Being unwilling to compromise on the zero yellowing guarantee meant that we had to skip over industry standard anti-scratch coating, which also turns yellow over time. Once the Ghost was launched, two things happened. Number one, the zero yellowing guarantee brought us way more customers than we ever could imagine. Number two, many of those customers made it very clear that we'd missed the mark on the scratch resistance. For the past years, we've been preoccupied with a new goal, developing an innovative anti-scratch solution that would maintain our zero yellowing guarantee. Engineering with solution was not quick or easy. To say you've been remarkably patient during this process would be an understatement. We genuinely appreciate it. Inside this package, we'll find a new Ghost Case because this Ghost Case 2.0 was reimagined from the ground up. We made sure to incorporate over a dozen quality improvements to all aspects of the products informed by your Ghost Case 1.0 feedback. Between the more durable construction, reinforcement, sidewalls, improved buttons tactically, stronger magnets, more robust camera protection, and enhanced impact resistance, we're confident that we delivered on ultimate promise of the next gen clear case. So confident in fact that we think your friend with the yellow $10 Amazon clear case will like a ghost as well. And discard the QR code of their ghost order. So yan, meron tayong QR code dito. Yes. And almost the same ghost case. So we open this. So this is the Ghost Case 2.0. Currently, I'm recording with the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the Ghost Case was 1.0. So this is the Ghost Case 2.0 with MagSafe. So clearly, so same branding pa rin. We have the stickers of the Ghost Case. Then we have a major upgrade on the sides. So we have more grippy and less aggressive grip with the bumper sides pa rin. Bumper sides with a clickable action button and the volume rocker. And then we have the power button in the right side. And good cut out for the speaker, mic, and USB port. And we have also, they remove the plastic. They make it more clear case. So that's the Ghost Case. And no more in both MagSafe. So let's try the stability and the effectiveness of this MagSafe. I will get my MagSafe. So this is my Ugreen power bank with the MagSafe charger. So let's try how the stickiness of this MagSafe is very compared to the last time. Oh, so strong. Oh, as you can see, when I remove it, you take some more effort. That's the clicky sound when you put your MagSafe power bank, and that's it. So sticky. So that's the new Ghost Case. So nothing in the phone, just the Ghost Case. So that's all. I hope you like this unboxing video, quick unboxing, and I hope It has a great quality again with anti-yellowing and more scratch resistant uh, back. So yeah. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So comment down below if you have also this kind of clear case or ghost case from the brand. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.